Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account tied to the channel and opening YouTube Studio on desktop for full analytics. Once logged in, make sure you select the correct channel if you manage multiple accounts. If the channel is shared, confirm you have owner or manager permissions so you can access reports. This initial step gives you the dashboard and live metrics. From here, you'll move into the Analytics tab to pull specific reports and date ranges for the data you need. Once in Analytics, click Overview and set the date selector to a preset like last 28 days or pick a custom range to focus your report. Next, choose the key metrics you need: views, watch time, average view duration, subscribers, and revenue if monetized, because each metric answers different questions about performance. Make sure to use Compare Mode to see changes versus a prior period and apply filters for content type, geography, or traffic source to isolate causes behind trends. Now export the report using Export to CSV or Google Sheets so you can share or further analyze the data. Include key graphs for presentations. If you need deeper insight, add advanced filters like traffic source, playback location, or audience retention and segment by device or country. If export fails or numbers look off, clear your browser cache, try incognito, confirm your channel permissions, or check API quota limits. These fixes resolve most access and display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.